I have two kinds of bitter melon. This is green type and this is a white type. And this is not ready, of course. This is ready. A lot. I just harvest a bunch of eggplants. I don't like my eggplants to grow too big. Then the seeds getting too big. I want my eggplant to be tender, so I harvest them when they're still young. I tried to video this eggplant when I harvest. I did not turn on the video for some reason. Now I'm harvesting some more bitter melon here. Look, this one. This one is the white one. It's the one we talked about. Kind of ready, but it can get longer and grow longer too. There's a little green one in the back. See, this is the green, and those two are called white jade. Are white. I could let this one grow a little longer. I could also harvest. So I think I'm gonna harvest. The more I harvest, the more the plant will produce more bitter melon. So one more here too. This one is ready also. Like I said, you can wait for it to grow bigger, longer. Also, I want to harvest. The more I harvest, the more it will grow. So that's what I harvest right now. I harvested some 2 days ago, bitter melon. And that bell pepper is not quite ready yet. I want it to be very red. So I will not harvest for now. Lots of basil, so I would like to harvest some more. I don't want to have too many seeds grown. Swiss chard grown crazy and so big. We just had a rain. Okay, this one could harvest now, or I could wait a few days from now on because I have lots of food in the refrigerator harvest from a garden. This loofah is ready to harvest. And this couple small loofah here, but they are ready. The smaller the tender it gets. For the peppers, they are still small and you can harvest the small, but I don't need to harvest early when I need. Some peppers from garden I just come here to pick fresh. Some vegetables you have to pick before they get too old. Peppers, no problem, they can ripe on the plants. Also want to harvest one lemon. This little tree has a lot of lemons. Look, there are 3 lemons here. Beautiful. Lots of food in the garden. today I just want to harvest some of basil and lamb, eggplant, loofah, and 2 types of bitter melon. I still have long beans, all kinds of peppers, water spinach, and winter melon, such. They are all ready to harvest, but I don't want to harvest too many food, and my refrigerator will be full. I want to eat as fresh as possible. But however, eggplant, loofah, and bitter melon, and I need to harvest them when they are still young, because I don't want them to get too old on the plants. Basil, I already have lots of plants to grow seeds, so I want to keep harvesting so the plants will grow fresh young basil leaves.